So this is the rear yoke on my Dana 20, and it's right back here that starts leaking. And so today I'm going to fix the leak on the Dana 20. Oh my. Welcome back to the garage, the place where we are making your Bronco, your dream Bronco. If this is your first time here, I'd love to have you subscribe. I'm putting out how-to videos for the weekend mechanic, providing the Bronco entertainment for the Bronco community. Today what we're talking about is the Dana 20 transfer case. Now I have already pulled my transmission because I sent it off to get it rebuilt, and so I thought, hey, while I did that, why don't I fix some of these leaks that, you know, you just got pull in the garage and you got drips under your Bronco every day. So I'm gonna fix the rear yoke on my Dana 20 transfer case, and then I'm also gonna replace the rear main seal on my engine. Now, unfortunately, this is not a Dana 20 transfer case rebuild video, so if you're looking for one of those, this isn't gonna be the one for it, but if you're just looking for how to fix a leak on your Dana 20, this is the video for you. First step is going to be removing the rear drive shaft. Then we're going to remove the 1 1/8 nut holding on the rear yoke. Then, using a harmonic balance puller, remove the yoke. So this is the seal that we need to get out and replace with a new seal. Now you could take this whole part off and replace this gasket and clean all this up. I'm just going to try to get this seal out and put the new seal in place. This is the new seal that I got from Tom's Bronco Parts. An important key here is to notice that the lip of it goes inside just like this, and not to put it around this way. I also got a new nut and a new washer, just in case I didn't know what I was going to get into when I opened this up, and I'll put links to everything that I got in the description below so you can get it too. A little bit mangled, but it's free. I didn't want, obviously, to damage this getting it out, and so I was really just trying to hammer on the seal itself, and I think we did a pretty good job. So this is my new seal, and that will go back in the transfer case, but I also got a new yoke. And the reason that I got a new yoke is because it's this surface right here that you want to be smooth, because the seal goes right along that surface. And so that, you know, you don't want to have any grooves or anything in there, because that would cause this seal to leak around here. So it's kind of hard to see on my old yoke, but you can see it kind of grooved in there a little bit, the seal, and that's where it was leaking, was around the groove that it created from the seal. Now say you wanted to still use your old yoke and it had a groove in there, you could get something like this. This is a Speedy sleeve. You can pick this up at Amazon for, I don't know, I think it's 12 bucks or something. and it will go onto the old yoke and create a new surface then for the seal to ride along. And it comes with a little installation tool where you hammer this in, and then it creates, you know, a new surface that's not grooved for the seal to ride on. So this is another option, but this option, the Speedy Sleeve, is like, I don't know, $9, $12. A new yoke is, I think this was $20, $30 from Tom's Bronco Parts. And again, I'll put links in the description below where you can pick them up, but this new one just seemed like such a better option than trying to put a sleeve on the old one. So now that I got this, I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall all of this back together. Obviously, just trying to use something as soft as I can to get that in place. And then once that is on there, then we're ready to reinstall our yoke. Alright, so that is it for today. I'm going to reattach the transfer case to my transmission, and then I'm going to tighten everything down. So it's 150 foot-pounds on that nut at the end of the yoke, and so I'll do that when it's like, you know, in gear. A little bit, might be a little bit easier than trying to hold on to one end and get 150 foot-pounds. That's not gonna happen. But definitely a good install to do. But that's it for today. Make sure to check the links below if you wanna do this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.